Hello guys, so we're gonna make smashed Kinder Joys. So we're gonna open this first. This is the thing to smash the Kinder Joys. And let's go open it. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Guys, it's so hard to open. Okay, we got the chocolate and the milk. So we're gonna smash them like this. And we're just gonna smash it. Oh my gosh. And now mix them till it looks like a thing, like the chocolate thing that I just said the start of the video. This is so hard, by the way. So we're gonna mix it. Then now you just make smash Kinder Joys. Now time to taste this. It tastes exactly like this. It tastes exactly like the same flavor. But it's okay. It's fine though. Okay, it's now Yummy's turn to eat that. Okay, go. Wait. Yummy's just gonna mix it. Okay, Yummy's gonna eat it in 3, 2, 1. How does it taste?
Tastes like 7-Eleven.
Woo! Make them right now. Okay, guys, this is the other version. Okay, guys, so we're gonna eat it right now. I'm gonna eat it. Oh wait. Okay, here.
Isa mo, lapit lang.
So tasty, by the way.
Sa Petron ka lang ha, kung hindi ikot ka malala.
I would give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, Yummy has the penguin that she opened. Now it's time to open mine. But I already opened it. Alright, guys.
Kuya.
By the way, what's this? Yummy, can we swap? Because this is the girl one and this is the boy one.
Okay.
Now we have our own pets. Pugly.